Hello guys, welcome back to Packages Compare. Today we compare Zebronics Zeb-Paradise versus Zebronics Zeb-Duke. So let's see the full comparison video. Design, design, design type, design pit, open or close back, performance, maximum frequency response, minimum frequency response, impedance, sensitivity, physical design, colors, features, call control, music control, connectivity, connectivity, Bluetooth version, Bluetooth range, microphone, battery, playback time, standby time, charging time, compatible devices, launch date, market status, price, price USDT. Thanks for watching. If you have compared any device, please comment in the video and also like, share and subscribe Packages Compare.